Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.2 question number 1. Determine if the following are in proportion. Question number A 15, 45, 40, 120. Let us check. The number is 15, 45, 40, 120. Ratio of 15 to 45, that is equal to 15 by 45. If we change into lowest term, 5 3 is 45 and 5 9 is 45, again 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, that is 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 is to 3, right? Now ratio of 40 to 120, that is equal to 40 by 120. This 0 will cut, 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12, that comes to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 is to 3, right? Therefore, you can say that 14, both the ratios are equal. Therefore, you can say 15 by 45 is equal to 40 by 120, right? Therefore, 15, 45, 40, 120 are in proportion. This is the solution of question number A. Now we'll solve question number B. Question number B is, you see here, question number B is now we'll solve question number B. Question number B. Here you see question number B is 33, 121, 9, 96. Ratio of 33 to 121 is equal to 33 by 121. It will be divisible by 11. 3 11 is 33, 11 1 is 11, 11 1 is 11. Therefore, is equal to 3 by 11. That is equal to 3 is to 11. 3 is to 11. Now, ratio of 9 to 96, that is equal to 9 by 96. 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, that is equal to 3 by 32. Therefore, we can write it as 3 is to 32, right? Therefore, here you see that the ratios are not equal, that is 33 by 121 is not equal to 9 by 96. 9 by 96. Therefore 33, 121, 9, 96 are not in proportion. Right? Now we shall see question number C. Question number C is, you see here, question number C 24. Question number C 24, 28, 36, 48. Ratio of 24 to 28 is equal to 24 by 28. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14. That is equal to 6 by 7, or you can write it as 6 is to 7. Now ratio of 36 to 48, that is equal to 36 by 48. If we divide it by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 8 to the 16. Again by 2, 2 9 is 18, 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4. Again you divide by 3, that is 3 3 is 9, and 3 4 is 12. That is equal to 3 by 4, and that comes to 3 is to 4. Now since the ratios are not equal, therefore you can say that 24 by 28 is not equal to 36 by 48. Therefore you can say that 24, 28, 36, 48 are not in proportion. Not in proportion. Not in proportion. This is the solution of question number C. Now we shall discuss question number D. Now question number D is, question number D. Question number D is, here you see, that is 32. That is 32. 48, 48, 70, 210. Ratio of 32 to 48. That comes to 32 by 48. If we divide by 2, 2 16 is 32, or 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. That comes to 2 by 3, or you can write it as 2 is to 3. Now ratio of 70 to 210, that is equal to 70 by 210. This 0 will cut, 7 is 7, 7, 3 7 is 21. That is 1 by 3, and it comes to 1 is to 3. Therefore the ratios are not equal. Therefore you can say that 32 by 48 is not equal to 70 by 210. Therefore 32, 48, 70 210 are not in proportion, are not in proportion, are not in proportion. This is the solution of question number D. Now we'll discuss question number E. Question number E is here you see. Question number E is 4. Question number is 4, 6, 8, 12. Ratio of 4 to 6, that is equal to 4 by 6. 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, that is equal to 2 is to 3. Right? Now ratio of 8 to 12, that comes to 8 by 12. 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, that is equal to 2 is to 3. Here you see both the ratios are equal. Therefore, we can write 4 by 6 is equal to 8 by 12. Right? Therefore, 4, 6, 8, 12 are in proportion. Are in proportion. Right? This is the solution of question number E. Now we shall discuss question number F. Question number F is 33. Question number F is 33, 44, 75, 100. Ratio of 33 to 44, that is 33 by 44. So if we divide both the numbers by 11, that is 11 3 is 33, 11 4 is 44, then it comes to 3 by 4, or you can write it as 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Ratio of 75 to 100 to 100, that comes to 75 by 100. If we divide both the numbers by 5, that is 5 to 10, 0, 5 1 is 5, 6 7, 5 5 5 0 and 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, that is equal to 3 by 4, and that is equal to 3 is to 4. Here you see that both the ratios are same, that is 33. That means we can write 33 by 44 is equal to 75 by 100. Therefore, we can say that 33, 44, 75, 100 are in proportion. Are in proportion. This is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.